Okay, guys, right now we're taking a look at Athenaze 6 alpha, and we are at line 18. We're going to start right here with the subject, He Ἀριάδνη, ἐπεὶ πρῶτον χωρατον Θησέα, αὐτοῦ, kai βούλεται σῴζειν. So I know that this is my subject, He Ἀριάδνη, because that is in the nominative case, right? So He Ăriάδνη. Right, so Ăriάδνη, and how are we going to translate this? Ἐπεὶ πρῶτον χωρατον Θησέα. So Ăriάδνη, if we go left to right, when first she sees Theseus, don't worry about this form. We will get to that soon. I know from the form ton, I know that that article tells me that's accusative. So that's the direct object of this verb. So Ăriάδνη, when first she sees Theseus, this is another form of the verb in the third singular. She loves him, kai, and vούλεται, and she wishes to save him. You notice this word vούλεται is from the word vούλομαι. This is a middle voice verb. So we're going to translate it as he wishes or she wishes. So Ăriάδνη wishes to save Theseus. Ἐπεὶ, when, therefore, when night happens, gίγνεται is also from a middle voice verb, gignomai. So when it becomes night, spεύδε. So we're still looking at a he or she for this verb. She hurries, and I'm still talking about Ăriάδνη, right? She hurries to the dεσμωτήριον. She hurries to the prison. Kai, and now I know Theseus is not the subject because of this article. And Theseus, kalei, there's my verb, and she calls Theseus. And sίγα, this is a command. Be quiet, O Thησείου, notice a vocative. Be quiet, Theseus, direct address. She says, ego, I, nominative case, I, Ăriάδνη, parēmi, I am present. This is another irregular verb we need to look at. Ero su, she says, I love you, kai, and vούλομαι, and I wish to save you. Ιδού, she says, look, parέχω, I am providing, because, right? So look, because I am providing soy for you, tοῦτο goes with this noun. So tοῦτο to ξίφος, this sword, I am providing this sword and this línον. Now, línον is where we get our word English, our English word linen, right? I'm providing this thread. Me un fοβοῦ, therefore, don't be afraid. Says it down here, right? Don't be afraid, but on the other hand, ἀνδρείως eîsvane. Notice that's a command, right? But walk bravely into the labyrinth and ἀπόκτεινε and slay the minotaur. See the ton? That means I have a direct object, right? This is a command, and kill the minotaur. Then, and then, ek felge, I'm getting my money's worth of commands. Flee from the, flee with meta. Flee with your heteron, with your companions, and spεῦδε, right? And hurry, another command, to the ship. Gar, because ego, I, en no echo. I intend, this whole phrase means I intend, en no echo. Literally, it means I have in mind. So I have in mind menein, infinitive form, to wait, prός tenei, next to the ship. Vούλομαι, middle voice, I wish because. So because I wish away from Crete, apopheugein, to escape. So because I wish to escape from Crete, and with you to the Athens to sail. So I've got two different infinitives here, right? I wish, first of all, apopheugein, to flee with you, and second, I wish to plane, right? I wish to sail to Athens. Huto lege, thus she says, so she says this, kai, and takeos, quickly, she aperketai, another middle voice verb. She departs, she goes back, prός, to the plεῖν, to the city. You notice here, prός, I have a prepositional phrase, which is followed by tein plεῖν, an accusative. So she goes back to the city. Now I have a subject again, ha de Theseus, and Theseus mala men thalmadze. On the one hand, mala thalmadze means he is amazed, mala, very much. So on the one hand, Theseus is very amazed. Deketai, middle voice, he receives the ξίφος, he receives the sword, kai, and mene, and he waits for the day. So that is the end of chapter 6 alpha in Athenaze. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck. Have a good one.